Today, we'll learn how to shorten names in Excel within 2 seconds. Using one magical shortcut, which is Ctrl+E, also known as flash fill. Let's say you have a list of full names like shown in the example. Nimel Madura Pereira. And you want to shorten them to just N.M. Pereira. Here's how. Step 1. In the column next to your full names, manually type the shortened version for the first entry. For example, type N.M. Pereira. Step 2. Now press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. Excel automatically fills down the rest by recognizing the pattern. Like magic, all your names are shortened the same way. Also, flash fill works for emails, phone numbers, codes. Anytime Excel can spot a pattern. And that's it. Quick, easy, and powerful with just Ctrl+E. Thanks for watching how to do. Like, share, and subscribe for more Excel hacks in seconds.